Grade 5 Math. Opposite integers. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. The number line is used to represent integers. This is shown below. Definitions. The number line goes on forever in both directions. This is indicated by the arrows. Whole numbers greater than 0 are called positive integers. These numbers are to the right of 0 on the number line. Whole numbers less than 0 are called negative integers. These numbers are to the left of 0 on the number line. The integer 0 is neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. The sign of an integer is either positive or negative, except 0, which has no sign. Two integers are opposites if they are each the same distance away from 0, but on opposite sides of the number line. One will have a positive sign, the other a negative sign. Opposite integers. The opposite of any integer a is negative a. Similarly, the opposite of any integer negative a is positive a. So, for example, the opposite of integer 37 is negative 37. And the opposite of negative 81 is positive 81. Finding the opposites of a given integers. Example 1. Find the opposite of the following integer, negative 93. Solution. Step 1. The opposite of a negative integer is a positive integer. Step 2. The opposite of the integer negative 93 is positive 93. Example 2. The highest elevation in North America is Mount McKinley, which is 20,320 feet above sea level. The lowest elevation is Death Valley, which is 282 feet below sea level. What is the distance from the top of Mount McKinley to the bottom of Death Valley? Solution. The table below represents the elevations as an integer. The distance from the top of Mount McKinley to the bottom of Death Valley is the same as the distance from positive 20,320 to negative 282 on a number line. We add the distance from positive 20,320 to 0, and the distance from 0 to negative 282, for a total of 20,602 feet. Example 3. Students, please indicate an integer on the number line shown below which represents each situation. Note, a positive integer doesn't need to have a plus sign in it. For example, +3 and 3 are interchangeable. Summary. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Whole numbers greater than 0 are called positive integers. Whole numbers less than 0 are called negative integers. The integer 0 is neither positive nor negative, and has no sign. Two integers are opposites if they are each the same distance away from 0, but on opposite sides of the number line. Positive integers can be written with or without a sign.